Hello friends, I am Satish Kakade from Markande Public School. In today's lecture, we are going to study the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This topic belonging to chapter first, real number of standard 10. In this chapter, we are going to study how to find the SCF and LCM by using the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That theorem is depend on the prime factorization method. In earlier class, we were studied the prime factorization method, and we also know how to find SCF and LCM by using the prime factorization method. We were also know the factor tree. So in this topic, we are using the factor tree or a prime factorization method. Let's see. Finding the prime factor of any given number. Okay, like that, for example, 32,760. This is one of the number. How to find the prime factor? By using the factor tree. So, if we divide 32,760 by 2, we get 16,380. That means 2 multiply 16,380. Factorize this 16,380 because 2 is a prime number. So 2 multiply 8,190. Again 2 is prime number. Factorize 8,190. And that factorization are 2 into 4,095. Again factorize 4,095. We did not divide this by 2, so divided by 3. So 3 multiply 1365. Then factorization of 1365, that is the 3 multiply 455. Again divide 455 by 5, we get 91, that means 5 multiply 91. And factor of 91 is 7 and 13, that is 7 into 13. So all this dark portion, which is dark by the blue color, that is 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. These are the factors, and 13. These are the factors of 32,760. So how to write the 32,760 in the prime factorization method? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 30. That means 2 is 3 times, 3 is 2 times, so write down 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 into 7 into 30. This is the prime factorization of the 32,760. So this method is called the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The statement are: every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. मीन्स कोई भी कंपोजिट नंबर हम फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. कंपोजिट नंबर मीन्स दैट नंबर हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर. ऐसा कोई भी कंपोजिट नंबर हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, मीन्स फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं प्राइम नंबर के प्रोडक्ट में, और जो फैक्टराइजेशन आएगा वो यूनिक रहेगा. यानी हर एक नंबर के एक फिक्स फैक्टर रहेंगे, उस नंबर के वही फिक्स फैक्टर रहेंगे, वो फैक्टर किसी और नंबर के नहीं हो सकते. So that is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is the statement of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now let's see how to find the SCF and LCM by the prime factorization method. That means the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Suppose find SCF and LCM of 6 and 20. You know that are very easy. We already done this method in earlier classes. That is the prime factor of 6, that is 2 into 3. Factor of 22 into 2 into 5, that is 2 square into 5 to the power of. So SCF of 6 and 20, that is the 2, means common factor is 2, and common and non-common factor के multiplication यानी LCM. So find the non-common factor and common factor, that is multiplication of this is 60. So this is the LCM. So SCF of 6 and 20 is 2, and LCM of 6 and 20 is 60. Okay, this SCF किसे कैसे product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the number, that is the SCF. Product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the number, and LCM means product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. यानी कॉमन फैक्टर का जो हाईएस्ट पावर है उसका और नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स LCM, और स्मॉलेस्ट पावर कॉमन फैक्टर का स्मॉलेस्ट पावर वाला जो फैक्टर है दैट इज़ द SCF. दिस इज़ द prime factorization method. Again read this example, and we also know SCF into LCM equals to product of two number. अब ये दो नंबर हमें दिए, फाइंड SCF ऑफ 96 एंड 404 बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, और SCF फाइंड करने के बाद हम LCM भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 96 एंड 404. 96 के प्राइम फैक्टर 2 to the power 5 into 3, 404 के प्राइम फैक्टर 2 square into 101. So SCF of these two number 96 and 404 is 4. So LCM is product of two number upon SCF. Product of that two number upon SCF. So product of that two number is 96 and multiply 404, and SCF is 4. So answer is 9696, means 9696. That is the LCM of these two number 96 and 404. So do this problem, that are the given problem. Read this and understand this, and try to solve this exercise 1.2. Okay.